Welcome back to Poetry and Politics. Yes, a lot of people, don't know the sacrifices that a lot of people has made to Jamaica. For the Jamaican people. A lot of people don't know the sacrifices that police officers have been through. See me, I put on my shoes right now. Look, this is what I have to use to put on my shoes. Courtesy of the Jamaica Constable Force, because I don't have no hip to bend. So, me have to make sure some use this put on my shoes. I let me go anywhere and don't have this. Can't put on my shoes. And this is one of the, I have bled for my country. Shot twice for my country in the line of duty. Shot at over 100 times for my country. And sometimes, you know what? Whenever we have a fatal shooting, you sit back and when you hear some of the stories where people come out with after the fatal shooting, you have to wonder if you involved in the shooting. Yeah, man. You have to wonder if you involved in the shooting. One time, I involved in a fatal shooting or a Cockburn pen. And people them say, oh, the Rasta police them used to call me. Because we are not but Rasta colors. People say, oh me old man and man go buy chicken back. Oh me hold on pan a man and shoot them at the M16 rifle at close range. Yeah. You understand people? So me have to put on my shoes. I'm gonna have to put on my shoes because of my injuries them. All for nerve damages and all these things. This is what me get from the Jamaica Constable Force. Not more. Recognition, no. Nothing. Matter of fact, the civilian treat you better than police sometimes. Yeah, when you're a police officer, civilians treat you better. When you, no matter the amount of work what you do as a police, all the police them you jump around and Blakey. When you get shot on there, your yard and you're not no longer on the job and you can't do nothing again and them can't roll with you and look fame off for you. Nobody no remember you. I tell you that. Not a soul no remember you. So the thing said, them time you find out who are your real friend. Because no police are not a real friend really, You join police work to look friend. You join police work to serve the people of Jamaica. You come to look friend. And these are the things that happen to police. When you get shot out there, nobody no response for you. Nobody no remember about you. You understand me, people? And I used to, a lot of police probably have the notion, and I used to have that notion that, when you out there and you kill yourself and you do the work that you matter. You don't matter. You don't matter to some of your colleagues, them, you don't matter to the hierarchy of the police force. You don't matter to politicians, them hate you like poison when you do your work. I was hated like poison for doing my work as a policeman. You understand me, people? That's how the thing go. And a lot of times when you arrest people and take them before the court, you are jury-reading and cases are thrown all over the place. I have cases where I don't even know where them turn. And nobody not ask a question about it because you don't know them, they get thrown by the wayside for some links will go on. I don't know that. And the thing about it, people, back in my days, I don't know if this is still happening or the commissioners have addressed these issues. You have issues where you bring matters before the court, and because you have trial matters before the court, especially recovery of firearms. I used to recover a lot of firearms. And if you have men before the court for recovery of firearms, no matter you apply for vacation leave, you not get it. But I'll never get my vacation leave then. Because I applied and the court said them can't spare me. Because you had to apply to the court too. You had to apply to the court because the court was complaining that police are not coming to court. And you see, these people don't care about police, Them complain about police not coming to court. And when you're on vacation, police are on vacation leave and police still have to come to court. These are the atrocities. This is how they treat police. And nobody now address these things. I hope they are addressed now. For the court to decide if you go up on your vacation leave. I applied for my vacation leave and I was not sent on my vacation leave because the court said, may have trial matters. I have nothing but trial matters and I can't leave. But watch people. Hear the turn now. The twist and the turn. I mean, if a lot of police in my thing now, we understand the thing and the experience. You see, it's when you get shot and on sick leave for a certain period of time, all your court cases are thrown out. They don't care. So you see that? But when you're on vacation leave, you have to come to court. Because they don't care if man go to prison or not. When I was on sick leave, we had a fatal shooting of people. And Jamaica for Justice was on board, lobbying, talking about murder. Lobbying against me because they realized that I had too much fatal shooting. So now they start take set. Because people, this is how Jamaican for Justice operate. Once they see a name, see a policeman name being called in too much fatal shooting, them start ask questions and them start try railroad you for you get run out of the work because you work too hard. They only target police officers who are working hard. And not only police who work hard get involved in a fatal shootings, nobody else. So that is how Jamaican for Justice roll. They don't want no hard-working police out there. It's a way of deterring the hard-working police that you know if you're out here do no work. And you know what they wanted to do, people? Remember, you know, when I have regular cases where I recover firearms, nobody no come say, boy, you know, the judge will come in your yard, come take the evidence so to ensure that the criminal goes to prison. But when you're involved in a fatal shooting, they want to come from my yard, come keep court. So then we come collect evidence by my sick bed. People, me and Pala kick off over this thing. Pala, big up yourself. Anyway, you're there. But we had a confrontation over the thing. Because you were talking about come a court, or you're going to lose work, or judge will come a my yard. Come a which yard? If we don't ever come a my yard to ensure, say, boy, I go to prison for gun. We don't come a my yard to come keep carrying his inquest for me explain to you why me unalive one little cockroach. We out the road to kill people. And a matter of fact, in this case, this was a case where the cockroach killed police. So you see it? A police the cockroach killed and was taken out shortly afterwards. And that is the shooting where Jamaica for Justice jumped on the most. Yeah, the man was a police killer, you know? That's what Jamaica for Justice a jump on and defend the police killer, the police murderer. Not even America police murderer get no parley. In America, if you shoot a police and police come for you, a preemptive strike you get. We can't tell you that straight. Preemptive strike once you shoot police. You're a cop killer, bless me, no parley is going to be issued to you. I'm believing at that. If you kill police, no parley must be issued to you. And that is the case I was charged for murder in without evidence. People, listen to me, without evidence. The prosecution had no witness for the prosecution. But Jamaica for Justice went to the coroner's court after they wanted to come to my house to keep court. And I said, no, I don't want to in my yard. They went to court and instructed and persuaded the coroner's inquest to rule that somebody was criminally responsible for the man's death. Without no evidence for the prosecution. We don't know witness for the prosecution. And I remember me and Corporal Massey was charged for was brought to the circuit court on a coroner's warrant for murder. And when we went to the court, there was no evidence to even prosecute us. We were brought before jurors, and the jurors we pled not guilty, and the juror they dismissed the case because there was no evidence, there was no witness for prosecution. There was no witness for the prosecution. Nobody could say nothing different from what the two police are saying in the case. But yet police charge. You see these things, people? And this is how them deal with police. Even when them not have evidence, them still want to charge police. That's Jamaica for Justice and Indicom. When them not have evidence, then they will make evidence on police. I am telling you that. And then they will make evidence on police that a Jamaica for Justice working with Indicom will make evidence on police. And we can't tell you behind a shadow of a doubt that is what happened to Chucky Brown, people. Chucky Brown was talking to these people. And these people jury Chucky Brown. That is what they did to Chucky Brown. Because like I told you before, the first thing with them do once a unit or a police officer work, them say you're a hitman or you're on a death squad to try stop you from working. Nobody cares about hard-working police. Nobody want no hard-working police around here. You recover them the politician, them gun. And take with them friend gun off of the street. They don't want you around. And I know this is clear to most police officers out there. If you're not clear, you're clear now. Me are telling you that straight up. If you're not clear, you're not clear now. They're telling her that. They never...